maybe they're going to do some stucco work here today. These are the stucco mock-ups on the western side of the building, which they've done already about 3 weeks ago or so. And they're unhappy with the results. So they're going to do some more mock-ups on the south end of the building. They're actually going to add 2 more colors. Here on the left, on the far left, is the soapstone opaque mock-up, which basically means a thick 2-to-1 ratio of actual stucco powder to water, so twice as much stucco powder. And on the bottom, I believe, is an extra coating of that opaque soapstone. And then on the right here is the limestone opaque mock-up. And on the other side here, on the far right, is the limestone translucent mock-up, which is a 1-to-1 ratio of basically half powder, half water. So more water proportionally is in the translucent mock-ups. And I think that's what they've decided on, doing the translucent, and it allows more of the texture to show through of the building. On the left, of course, is the soapstone translucent mock-up, which we decided on as of a few weeks ago, until after the rains and after being out on the building exposed for some time. They've decided that they should do some more mock-ups and do some more testings and test some more colors. They're going to go ahead and test 2 more colors. One is amaretto and the other is pewter. And the amaretto is kind of a brownish color and the pewter is kind of a greenish color. And although I don't have a say in the matter, I'm not too fond of those 2 colors. But we'll see what colors they choose. I think the soapstone is still, I think most of the consensus is that the soapstone is the way to go. So we'll see what happens. They're still a little worried about the cracks showing through. I'm about 20 feet away from the building and you can still see some of the spider cracks showing through. They're not going to do a slurry, which is basically them covering up the entire building, filling up all the cracks. Instead, they're going to do a little more of a selective process of filling in these cracks. So they're going to go through and basically 1 by 1 fill in the cracks instead of slurrying, covering up the entire face of this building here. So that's the status of the stucco, and I think there are going to be arguments well into this summer, and we'll see what they decide on.